Alright, I have with me today the MacBook Neo. It has 512 gigabytes storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 13-inch screen, 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU. Alright, we're gonna unbox it now, so let's go. Alright, here's what the box looks like. So, as you can see. But here is the specifications if you're curious. 2026 model. So, we're gonna open it. Just like the iPhone, modern pull tabs. To the next one. Tilt it over. Hello sticker. Pull that out. Is that my Apple California? All your manuals and stuff. This was, I guess, supposed to be the budget-friendly option for people who are new to Mac. Your user guide. Charging cable. The Type-C ports. It is less powerful than the regular Mac, like the MacBook Air's charger. Well, you get what you pay for. It's a budget-friendly option. So that's all that's in the box. So let's get onto the machine. Take the stickers off. Okay. Solid metal. It's not plastic. It's kind of thick compared to my M1 MacBook Air. Get the job done. This is not for me, it's for someone else. I got it cool. You got 2 Type-C ports. You got your headphone jack. Same thing on the side. There's not a whole lot. It is kind of thick in comparison. This is my MacBook Air. This is the Neo. Neo's on the bottom, Air is on the top. See how the shape is different? Yes. Neo. The Apple logo, it's not like a mirror. It has these 4 cushions on the bottom. So, alright, how big is this thing? Let's see. A foot wide, or 30 centimeters. A little over 8 inches, or 21 centimeters. Diagonals, about 14 inches, or 35 centimeters. But the screen is 13 inches, so it's about like that for the screen. We're gonna open this with one hand. Okay. Take that off. It has no backlit keyboard. It has a standard trackpad. This looks different. Here's your standard Apple keyboard. Let's boot it up. And then
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
To set it up, I had to click on that with the touchpad. Country of origin, United States. Set up as new. Since this person I'm making this for never owned a Mac before, not now. Gotta create our Mac account. This has nothing to do with your iCloud, by the way. Enter your iCloud account. Okay, once you enter your ID, hit continue, and then follow the directions. Okay, now we're at the welcome screen. And that is what the Neo looks like. macOS is different from Windows since everything is like the iPad and iPhone where everything is, apps are at the bottom and then you have a menu at the way top and then you have widgets. All right, first things first, go into settings right here. Software update, make sure your Mac is updated. Update now. Agree. Type in your passcode and the update will begin. Hit restart. The Mac is updated. Okay. MacBook updated. And how you can tell is if you go into software updates, check update, and it should say the Mac is up to date. You also get notifications up there. To update your apps, you would go down to the App Store right here and update it just like an iPhone. You get your widgets and stuff you can edit, change out. You can change that. You get all this stuff up here, just like your iPhone and iPads. All right. 13-inch MacBook Neo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Welcome to macOS. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.